So tá bheith tarúk sa táire liam, so kis for Lorien toshat.
Well, Lorien, fair rúg, the choil tajak for shen, yindasach. Yeah, ma do mi very tarúk like marriage band, ac fe yindasach, yeah. Te the kinjak fair violiums, the claston is dag and Olion Kjol as Ginny Canelli, by Jira Canelli man Albin as near and as a retin. Gollrish and Slorians. She's such the melting pot on Jay Olina na culture and culture. As gather am I fe haruk. First try the magh is the gollrish sly as Elena Manini and sa fail and mananach. Sly Elia Remy Medailrish, Sly Vosh, Soilshaghey, Fashin, Vesamon. So, yindasach.
As both Rose shed and as Luke shed to a Coonerek Culture Vannin, so fellow of a soilshaghey gobbragh at Culture Vannin.
Yeah, get ours of me. Yeah. And I'll just crash then Aaron the Valley Arm. Yeah. Te she kill Kionich in the sack. Dinu aber be as a lay Williams Emma Han Hayden Dinu aber mechanical to Mananak because to me fiv onak mecan as she such the act the redden kiel Kionich Jay aber Hamai as Ginny Cray to me Greg yeah.
As Tower Vidalrish Kusta, Sindisak the Vel wish the guilt go a lot on show, so to Vaker at Medalrish Sly Ellen that row to Lord Gilg as to Ginzak Gilg.
Yeah, some sugars Varam such the Sijun and Calotus on like Noah Bakehouse as Stumishen. As the Indisarm there are him on a sly Lord Gilg nak Rami Anchesaklu. Jato Cumlon's Alan Vannin. Emma Hans Eden and should be Vamish Smunnickton the Rami of Vidal Rish the Cholia Fig for Gilgok ac the Indisar Nakrosh and Erinal Nakro Bianchas Aclash the Cholia Fig ac na Sijun and Colotus as Ram Sly on Nakromi and Agan Rowie.
As Vashin just look me unsplained in such the Kuasauri son slide to Ginzak as Lord Guild, so Baviliot Kuna unsplained in Rudniak Gorisheden.
Yeah, the jar tell me the Kinja Carol tak the Dina Rudda B to Kuna Lasha Guild, yeah, as Kuasauri she no favai. Some sugars Rampage and so the Jason Williams.
Well, good am I Drish on Kuna, TV Indisak as Echvise who gollrish das Casarushin.
Yeah, good right.